Hey guys, today we are talking Canva, not to be confused with Canvas, but Canva is an online graphics generator. And when you leave the confines of Shawnee Mission School District, it is the big bucks to pay for that creative cloud. So enjoy it while you can. But we also want to give you tools so that you know, even on your phones, even on different personal computers, you know that you can create amazing, beautiful visuals without the need for the Adobe Creative Suite. So we're going to go into canva.com and you might have a CAPTCHA. I'm going to go ahead and scroll through this CAPTCHA. A car. Do you help me with the car? Car? These always make me nervous for some reason. I'm going to go with it. Yes, we made it. Incorrect. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, we did it. Goodness. Mrs. Harris on the struggle bus today. I'm going to go ahead and log out, sign out, so you'll see what I see. So Canva, creating beautiful online presentations and different graphics really for anything, especially social media. So go ahead and log in with your school credentials, log in with Google. And this is going to take you to the landing page. Oh, I really like it. They just changed it. Left-hand side, because this is a cloud program, you'll actually see all of the designs that you do will be saved. These are, you can see that I made a first day graphic. I've been working with some Lancers and some different designs and designing the Canva unit itself, social media, just lots of different things as we've been through there. So where the magic happens, what I want you to do is to click on templates and then freeze for a little while. Okay, this is one of the reasons it makes Canva so amazing. There are hundreds of designers that have created thousands and thousands of templates for you to use to kind of get your creativeness going. Okay, get your thought process started, and then your other from scratch can take over from there. So it will give you the colors that look good. It will give you the sizing that looks good. It will give you some graphics put together and some fonts put together that look good. And when I say browse by category, so when we do our projects, it will say create a poster, create a flyer, create a Zoom background. We are going to be able in the next couple of weeks to add virtual backgrounds to WebEx, and so we will be able to make our own virtual backgrounds. When I say to do a social media post, okay, they have an Instagram post, a Twitter post. This is great because each program has its own dimensions that what are recommended, and so Canva keeps track of this so you don't have to. So I've even went into t-shirt. I thought this was kind of fun to mess around in last time. So even by going into a t-shirt template, it will give you how the size dimensions, it will give you some great things to get started. You do not have to use these particular words. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and double click to use this template. Now, if we wanted to change the colors, we could even change the colors right here, but I'll go ahead and click to use this template. And you can see, if you want to add, you click and drag from the left to the right. If you want to delete, you click and then you just simply hit delete. You'll see the three dots mean that more options come up, meaning that you can link files within your file. You can also create duplicates right here where you can copy items, you can duplicate items, you can ungroup, meaning that if there was something like this is all one group, I could group this together and it rolls together. If I wanted to then switch it up, I could go to ungroup and then I could move just the just out of the way. Those little magenta lines are horizontal and vertical alignment. They are amazing for making sure things are in line. So let's say, for example, I wanted to change this to SME, and I'm just going to go with Lancers. I'm just going to delete that, come back here. Sometimes you have to click on and off, click off the screen, click on the screen. And I'm going to go and put 2020. So now I've got this cool graphic. Maybe I'll even stay here. It's on top. If I wanted this to come above those lines, I could simply go to position and go to forward. So I can send things to the back, send things, bring things to the front. And now I have this graphic. Now let's say, for example, I wanted to do an all Lancer. So I'm going to take some of these out. All I have to do is click on there, go to the color block on the left-hand side, and I can switch and change and rearrange. These are great. These are document colors. This gives you the theme. However, you're not regulated to that. you can click into this new color spectrum prism and really choose from the literally thousands of colors that are there. Now, a couple different things. This does save in the cloud, so all changes saved is one of your key items. You can also rename it simply by clicking up there on the very top. And then if you love this and you want to download it, you can do some screenshots if you want, but really best practices are download. And then your PNG file is the highest quality. Great for print, great for t-shirts. It is bad for the web, bad for any kind of sharing. So if you're going to, when you're going to post on Canvas in the assignment link, I would like for you to go ahead and choose JPEG or a PDF standard. PDF print is way too large, okay, way too large. So these are great. You can change, switch and change and rearrange. Over here on the left-hand side, if you have some elements or logos that you want to upload, like I uploaded the WebEx logo itself and some of my Bitmojis, you can just click on Upload. If you had any particular logos, I think I had a Lancer that I cut out there one time. I kind of like that. That's cute. Let me change this while I'm here. What do you guys think we should change that to? Not bad, not bad. I need to do some more color changing. It's hard to see that C, but we'll do that for later. Photos, look at this, the cute. There are millions of photos. Look at that sweetest little dog. What's great about these, they're all copyright friendly, so you know that you can use them anywhere and everywhere. We can use anything that doesn't have a crown beside it. Elements, also, when I say thousands and thousands and thousands, do you need an arrow? Look at the millions of different arrows. Look at these cute, the cutest little gift stickers. Let's see what that little savage looks like. There we go. And again, if I don't love, I can change the colors here. You can even flip it. So many things to do here. So I can even go with frames. I can go with festive stickers. I can go with like, hey, shoot us a message. That savage is driving me crazy now. Hey, we can have an interactive graphic. I'm going to rotate this little guy from the very bottom. You know, kind of an Ask the Lancer anything kind of graphic for social media. And when I say elements and thousands of them, I want you to take your time and go see what's available. Literally go see what's available. There are so many. Search away to whatever your heart's desire. These frames are awesome because you can click and drag a picture right into them. Okay, so this little cloud image means you can click and drag a photo right into them. I'll show you. I'll kind of go through that. Let's see what that looks like. So let's say I'm going to drag this picture here. Okay, so from here I'm going to go, I can even go to my photos and maybe I will click and drag this little dog. It should pop right in there. Bam! How cute is that dog? So cute. I can't get over it. Okay, text. Text is also amazing because you can make it anything you want. So instead of pizza party, what should we say? Digital design. And of course I need to make it a little bit smaller. But how great, how cute is that? There's so many different fonts. Now if you want regular font, that's up here. Tons and tons and tons of different fonts. Okay, same thing with videos. There's backgrounds. So you really should take some time. Again, if you want something on your project, you click and drag it to the right. You want something off, you can simply click on it and do the delete button. If you know you want two of these, super easy also. I can select that element and go to copy and bam, I have another. And then I can use that same just for ease of use. So then I have this cute little canvas, and it's all saved, and I've saved it into my cloud. And this is how I will start to build my All About You presentation, as long with some different lists. One of the projects is some self-care lists. So I'm going to go ahead and back to my home page to templates. When I click on list, I can even do a checklist for home. Let me go to list, singular. A daily gratitude reminder, today's agenda. I can make a list of top 5 life goals, or weekly to-dos, or feel-good songs. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of things for you to look through. I love this. What makes today special? There's one that says, what makes today special? Here is some notebook paper. Here is a list of things that you need to buy. Look how great these templates would be if you need to do any homework. So I want you to really, really, really take your time. We're going to spend a whole week on Canva because I want you to wow your other teachers for the course of the day. And this is also a great tool for all of the social media that we do, since we churn out a bunch of social media. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.